Today, this video will show some basic maintenance points for the Easty EMT-B.Pro heat press and demonstrate the operation. Please note the following precautions. Do not touch the main bearing inside the cabinet while it's running, and do not open the wave seal switch, as the drum is in vacancy. Additionally, do not touch any chains or gearbox with your hands, and be aware that the machine operates at high temperature, so do not touch the drum. Now the next is routine maintenance. Firstly, check the main bearing and other bearing, gears, and alignment rollers weekly to ensure they are functioning properly. Use high temperature grease to lubricate them regularly to prevent wear. Both sides of the machine's cabinet should be properly lubricated to maintain optimal performance. Dust prevention is also very important. Use an air gun to blow away dust from the fan and electrical components, as this can affect heat dissipation and the lifespan of the parts. Additionally, clean the carbon brushes, as dust buildup can impair contact. Avoid touching them with your hands. Next, we will cover the operation of the machine. First, place the protective paper properly, fitting it into the drum from the top. Adjust the tension on the protective paper before collecting it from the bed. The transfer paper is located from the front, passing directly through the table and into the drum. The fabric is also fed in from the front, placed over the transfer paper, while the transfer paper is collected from the underneath the table, and the fabric is rolled up at the back. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Easty at www.eastyltd.com.